One thing you're going to need for this project is a sharp pencil and a ruler. Right, position your box on the table. It's likely that some of the corners aren't going to be square, so pick the squarest one, and in this case I've picked the top left hand corner. Put a small mark in the top left hand corner so you know if you drop the box or you put the piece of wood down which way around it's going to go. Now you can see the small cross in the top left corner. Take your piece of plywood, position it in the corner, which is the squarest one which you've got the mark on, and then just carefully mark off with the pencil where the plywood matches up to the inside of your box top. Do that on the top, and then again do exactly the same on the bottom. And you can see there the pencil line lines up nicely with the inside of your box. Don't use a tri-square for this bit because it might not be square, so take your ruler, your sharp pencil, straight line from top to bottom. You're then going to take this over to the jigsaw and run it carefully through the jigsaw, leaving a gap of about 1.5 millimeters, maybe 2 mil, between your cut line and the line you've drawn. Keep your fingers clear, make sure you've got a face shield on and your hair's tied back. But you can see there I've got a very small gap, and I'm going to put that onto the disc sander and remove the excess on the disc sander, moving it backwards and forwards, keeping your fingers clear from the edge, and I've got a face shield on as well. You take your piece of work now and you pop it back in the box, and you can see it fits at the top, and if I lift it out it also fits at the bottom as well. Now you switch it round, or turn the box round through 90 degrees, makes it easier to draw, and then again with your pencil put a little mark where that inside of your box lines up. Take your ruler again, not your tri-square, and a nice straight line between the top and the bottom. Over to the jigsaw, take your jigsaw down that line, giving a gap again of about 1 millimeter, so you can just tidy it up on the disc sander afterwards. There's your millimeter gap. And you go back over to your box, making sure that you match your little cross up with the cross you've made, and hopefully the whole lot should fit nicely inside the box. Job done.